Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing another Dollarama haul and I'm so excited. I love these videos, you guys. They're so fun. The dollar store gets me every time, you guys. I cannot go in there without spending at least $30. At least. I also just want to go ahead and say, if you guys can hear any background noise, any beeping noises, they are doing construction around my house, so unfortunately we got a little bit of noise going on, so sorry if you guys can hear that. Hopefully you can't. But anyways, enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, so this is actually the first thing that I want to start out with right here. It is a reusable bag. I got this, you guys, for $2.50. This huge reusable bag for $2.50. I could not get over that. It says shopping is cheaper than therapy. I just love the design on it. I think it's so cute. It's also super heavy right now because I literally have everything inside of it, so I'm just gonna put it down for the time being, but I really could not get over this deal. A lot of time, if you want to get a reusable bag for that price, it's going to be the smaller ones. For me anyways, I like a bigger reusable bag. I don't know about anybody else, but I struggle when I get up to the checkout. I've got my reusable bag. I'm trying to chuck everything in there, get my card out at the same time, start paying. I feel like I'm holding up the line. That is just a struggle, especially if you have a small reusable bag. So with this giant thing, I should be good. I should be fine. I think I could fit literally my entire life in this bag, so we should be good there. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is this guy right here. It is a perfume. It is the Gold Gems Our Impression of Versace Yellow Diamond. I don't know about anybody else, but I always walk by the little like perfume section and I'm like, I want to try one. I need to try one just to see what it's like. It's so cheap. You know, I want to try one. So I finally picked one up. They had a bunch to choose from. They had a lot that weren't like impressions of other perfumes, but I wanted to give this one a go just to try it out. And I gotta say, you guys, I am so impressed with this. It's insane. So it was $4, but you get such a huge bottle. I'll show you guys in 1 second. So that is what the bottle looks like right there. So it is 3.4 fluid ounces, so I thought that was pretty great. And it smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, I freaking love it. I don't really know how to describe the scent. I guess you could say it's a little bit floral, but it is very fresh. It's light. It's a good, I would say, like spring summer scent. It's definitely not something super strong. I will say it doesn't last very long on the skin like when you spray, but I still like it. I think for $4, I think it's a great perfume. And I looked up the actual Versace Yellow Diamond perfume and it's like $100. So compare the two, $4 to $100. I will gladly take this one. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this. So happy that I got it. And I definitely am gonna go back and try out some more perfumes because if they're anything like this one, I'm gonna love it. All right, next I just got some fuzzy socks. Fall is fastly approaching, you guys. That means fuzzy sock time, so you know I had to stock up. So these are just the Fluffy Cozy brand, and you get 3 pairs. I believe these were probably like $2-3. I don't really know for a fact. Did I keep the receipt? No. No, of course I didn't. Why would I do that? That would be too smart. So you get this like burgundy, pink, and white pair there. Then this one is like a sparkly kind of white ivory. And then the last are pink, gray, and white. And I just thought they were so cute. I love them. I am a big fan of any kind of like fluffy, fuzzy sock. Like I said, especially in the fall, winter time, this is what I want on my feet right here. So I pretty much always get my socks from the dollar store. I feel like it's the best place to get them. Next, I just got these little biker shorts right here. I absolutely love these, you guys, especially for wearing like underneath a dress, like a short dress. For me anyways, I want something underneath, whether that be like a tight pair of shorts or something spandexy like a bike short like this. So I adore these. They're so comfy. They're perfect for that. And I like these too because they're not overly long. I find with a lot of biker shorts, they're kind of long and I'm not a big fan of that. I like how these are more so like on the shorter side. These were $4, but I think it's well worth it. The quality is really great. So they have a nude pair like this. I think they also have black and then white. But yeah, I absolutely love these, you guys. Even just for like lounging around the house, they're so comfy. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is this right here. This is the Aveeno Fresh Greens Blend 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I thought this was super neat, you guys. I've been really liking Aveeno lately as well, and it smells, so it's infused with rosemary, peppermint, and cucumber, and you can definitely smell that. It smells freaking phenomenal. I love it. I also really like this one as well, you guys, because it has no sulfates, no dyes, and no parabens, and that's something lately I've been trying to like look out for more. I feel like a lot of my products unfortunately do have that, and that's not something I want. I really like how this one's more so on the natural side. It also says it's supposed to refresh and thicken, so we'll see if it does that. I don't know, but I'm very excited to use this, and I honestly could just smell it all day long. Next, I picked up a new pack of makeup wipes. These are from the brand Spascriptions. These are the micellar makeup cleansing wipes. I don't know if I'm saying that word right. I don't know if it's micellar or micellar. I say it both ways, who knows? But anyways, I was really interested in these because they are made with micellar water, and that's supposed to be really good for taking makeup off, getting any kind of like dirt or grime off. And I gotta say, you guys, I've used these probably like 2 or 3 times now, and I really like them. They're probably one of the best wipes that I've ever tried from the dollar store. They're really thick, they're not dry whatsoever. I find they do a really great job at actually getting the makeup off. I know sometimes when it comes to a makeup wipe, you end up having to use like 3 or 4 just to get everything off, but I find with these, one wipe and I'm good to go. So I really like these. You do get 60 wipes for $4. Like I said in my other video, I find lately anyways, I can never find any makeup wipes for under $4. Next, I just went ahead and picked up a toothpaste. I was running out, so I got the Colgate Optic White Advanced. I really like this one. I find a lot of the time when it comes to whitening toothpaste, I find they don't really do anything, but I feel like I can slightly see a difference with this one. Maybe not, but I feel like out of the whitening toothpaste, this is probably the best one you can get. And it's Colgate, it's brand name. This is probably like $3 or $4. It says it deeply whitens for up to 4 shades. I don't know about that, Colgate. I'm not sure about that statement, but I still like you. I'm just gonna go over these really quickly because I think I showed them in my last haul or the haul before, but these are just the Aura Care soft toothbrushes. You get 2 of them and then 2 of the little covers to go over top, and these are $1.50. Probably, honestly, my favorite toothbrushes to get. Might as well just quickly show these as well now that we're on the topic of teeth, but I also think I talked about these in my last haul as well. So these are the Gum Comfort Slide Gentle Clean Flossers. My absolute favorite flossers ever. Like I said in a previous video, I can't use any other floss besides these right here. They are seriously the best, you guys. You get 90 pieces for, I believe, around $4, which is pretty good. But honestly, I think I'd pay like $8 for these because they're that good. I had to use a different floss one time because I couldn't find these and I almost about died. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that the rest is literally all food, so let's go ahead and show you what I got. Okay guys, we need to go ahead and have a chat about these right here. I'm gonna show you up close because you guys need to go and buy these right now. So these are the Biscolata Choco Chips. They're milk chocolate thins with crispy rice and they are so good. Oh my goodness. I used to eat these literally all the time. Every time I went to the dollar store, I would get one of these and just snack on them constantly. And I kind of like made myself sick of them, but I haven't had them for a while and I got them again and I'm like, oh, they're so good. They're addicting. Once you start eating some, you're not gonna wanna stop eating them. They remind me of like the Easter bunnies used to get as a kid with like the, you know, milk chocolate with the crispy rice. Basically exactly that. They're so good. I think they're pretty cheap as well. I'm not seeing a price anywhere, but I want to say they're like $1.50. Okay, next I got a vitamin water. This is the Aquafina vitamins C, B, and E, and it's in the strawberry kiwi flavor. These are so good. I feel like everybody knows about these. I like these because yes, they're water, but they also like really remind me of juice. So you kind of get like the best of both worlds with these. So I essentially just picked up the diet of a 10-year-old. I got some Rice Krispie Squares. I mean, everybody likes these, okay? You don't have to be a kid to like Rice Krispie Squares, all right? And they come in a handy little self-wrapped to-go package, okay? This is the best thing ever. I can put one in my purse while I'm shopping. I can have a little snack. That's great. I love it. So these are just the original Rice Krispies. You get 6 bars in here. I would say these are probably around $4, but I just think it's a good little snack. I like easy, like grab and go snacks like this. So this is perfect for me, especially when I'm working. I just grab this and be on my merry way. So, okay, next I just got a packaged dried gum. I don't know about anybody else, but I feel like when I'm out, I constantly have to be chewing gum. I don't know why. It's just a habit, and I'm really not supposed to chew gum because of my jaw, but I can't not chew gum, you know what I mean? So I always like to pick up a pack of gum whenever I go to the dollar store. This is just the, like I said, dried brand. It's spearmint and you get 14 pieces. Next I picked up these right here. I definitely showed these in my last haul, I believe, so I'm not gonna chat about them too much, but these are the Kinder Bueno minis. They are so good, you guys, especially if you put them in the fridge, you get them a little bit cold. Amazing. All right, and last but not least, you know I had to get something for my sweet tooth, so I picked up the Sour Mini Peach Rings. These are a classic, you know what I mean? These are just such a classic candy. They're so good. I feel like everybody loves these. They're also made with real fruit juice, so that's cool. These are the Fruity Gummy brand, and they are only $1, so I think that's pretty good. I gotta be honest, I'm not really like a big candy person, but every now and then I'll get that sweet tooth moment and be like, oh my goodness, I want a candy. Or if I'm watching a movie, I'm like, okay, give me a candy. So I like to have candy on hand for situations like that. Alright you guys, so that was everything in my Dollarama haul. I know this one was a little bit small, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I got. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Both will be down below. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!